Cheers, guys. So this is what I'm working on. And I'm almost finished. It's, I think I said 7. I forgot now. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, 7 by 4. Oops. That would mean 17 by 10 centimeters. So just put the birds and flowers. It's just a bird and flower. Using my Boss. Some of these are almost too big. So this is multimedia paper, and I had to extend the top with the music notes because it was a little bit too short, and I just did it to fit into the cardboard. Alright, so let's get this I have another pottery that I want to put in here. These potteries are so cute and so fun to do in watercolors. Coyotes are screaming outside. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I could put something back here maybe. Not sure what exactly. I kind of like this one. It's either this one or these two. Or we could just put in a square. It has some squares here. That kind of matches, doesn't it? Let's just put that one in. So super simple, quick to make, one signature journal. And I got it crooked. Count on me. Okay, let's figure out how many pages we have here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 16 pages in here. It's super cute. Well, I suppose I can put something in here. I have just these square flowers that I think I want to add. This one here kind of fits. It's a little bit big, and actually that would look good fancy cut, but let's put one of these in. I'll make the full colors. This is pretty much the last bits of that 2024 calendar I bought in January of 2025, so it's marked down. I got a few of them, and I just reorganized, and I literally don't have any of that calendar left. The pictures and images were so excellent. Even though the calendar paper is very thin and not that great a quality, it still works in so many projects. Okay, so let's just get this up in this corner for a change. And of course I didn't do a good job. And that's it, guys. I'll do a super quick video of this and post it online. I love picking out the music for it. So there you go. Are you going to be sticking out too? Yes, you are. I missed my edges on that. There you go. Alright, guys. I just wanted to use up this, and you can see it's a little bit at an angle. A little bit at an angle, and my seam is right there. Of course, I can see it. You know what? I think this one would work on here too. No, I like it the way it is. Okay, hope you like it, guys.